Do you know the quickest way to set an alarm on our iPhone? Let me tell you that. Commonly, we used to go to the clock app, find the suitable time, and then you turn it off. The other approach is again you go to control center, find the clock app, and then turn it on or off. If you use Siri, you may invoke Siri and say, "Hey Siri, set an alarm for 5:30 p.m." like this. But there is one quickest way is you call the Siri and just say 5:30. Done. It will find the nearest 5:30 in the clock and set an alarm for it. You may also add AM or PM. 6:30 AM. Done.